Yeah, it is. Come on.
She's like, I'm not sure about this. Come on, I'm going in. Come on. We'll go this way. Come on. She's like, maybe not. You think it's safe over here?
Well, me and 13 was all in there.
Come on. Maggie.
Come on.
Don't be stubborn.
Come on.
Baby girl. Oh,
Come on. Has she ever been in a pond or anything before?
I don't know. Come on. She went in that water when we went to, with the saddle club.
Yeah.
Come on. Come on, Maggie. Come in here. Maggie, just be good to me. Don't run me through. Sure, yeah.
Did you hear about that horse that got away from them people and it was swimming out?
Yeah, I've seen that. Well, you're having a good time. Come on, Maggie. Okay. There you go. Come on.
She's going to lay down in it, I think.
She's pretty good. Let her know she can get out. That way she doesn't panic.
Right.
And I'm in here swimming and having a good time. And she's not. So maybe she'll say, I'm going to join her. Come on, Maggie. Come on. It's okay, baby girl. I'm acting like I'm going out. Good girl. Good girl. Come on. Good girl. Come on. Come on, Maggie. You can do it. I'm in here. You're a chicken. You're a chicken. Come on. Come here. Give mommy kisses. Come here.
She thinks I got food.
She's doing better than I thought.
She thought I had something.
Oh, did she? And she's something. When it comes down to it, you want to go? Maggie.
Water skiing.
Huh?
You're water skiing.
Yeah. She's dragging me. Well, maybe next time she'll go in, do you think?
Maybe.
Maggie, be careful. Come on.
Yeah, there's bigger rocks over there.